Hey. What you doing? Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a video that has been long awaited. So for today's video, I'm going to be going over and playing around with the brand new MAC collection, the MAC holiday collection. Alright guys, your girl waited way too long to post this holiday video, but this look is very, very, very great for Valentine's Day. So I kind of just waited until it got closer to Valentine's Day and all the pink and all the love and stuff to post this for you guys. So unfortunately, we're not going to be going through the MAC holiday collection, but I also don't think that you guys are going to care as much right now because it's February. So, but we are going to be using some of the MAC pieces from the collection. And you can probably still buy some of those, I'm pretty sure, on maccosmetics.com. Usually they are, some of the pieces are still available, you know, in like their sale section. Okay. We're jumping into this. I used the BH Cosmetics palette. I used a light brown and a light pink to transition in the crease. And then I'm using this beautiful, beautiful pigment from MAC. Came in like a mini set of 4. And I'm just going to be blending these onto my lid. And I'm really going to work this color in. So I'm going to keep adding a little bit of pigment here and there until I'm satisfied with how high and how pigmented it is. And then I took a clean blending brush to really blend it out. I'm priming my face with the L'Oreal Glow Primer and then this e.l.f. primer. And for our foundation, I'm using the Cover FX foundation. And I'm just going to blend this all over my face as I normally do. Then for concealer, actually wait, hold on. We blended everything out before we moved to concealer. I'm using this Prep and Prime from MAC to really brighten underneath my eyes. This used to be one of my favorite things to use. You would use this and your concealer. I don't know, I love the way that it looked. It looks bright and glowy and everything. I'm using this little NARS Pot concealer just to further brighten, contour, conceal, highlight, all that fun stuff, and I'm just going to blend it out with my little booty blender, and then I'm setting everything with my Huda Beauty baking powder. Once I've set everything, I'm going to make sure I set my whole face too. Don't forget your face. I'm going to move on to blush and bronzer and highlighter. I'm using this little palette. I'm using the bronzer inside of this palette. It was my absolute favorite palette in the world, but we made it work. The texture is very, very weird. Then for highlight, there are these 2 beautiful highlighters that were part of the holiday collection, and I think this one is the one that everybody wants, the Whispering Guilt. I think that's what it's called. So I'm going to apply that, and then I'm going to apply some of the Coola Makeup Setting Mist, and then I'm applying this beautiful light, it's almost vanilla, MAC's pigment in vanilla, but it's a little bit pinker. I'm applying that to the inner corners and brow bone, and I'm also applying a little as a highlight, and then I'm taking all of the pink down underneath my eyes. I'm applying a MAC mascara, and of course we have to put lashes with this look, but before we jump into lashes, I'm just going to tight line my eyes so that everything is put together. Oh, hi Athena. Hi baby. And then I'm going to tight line on the bottom lashes too, and these are the lashes I'm going to be using. They're from Tarte. I just popped those on off camera really quick. We're going to set our brows with the Gimme Brow from Benefit and move on to the lips. I wanted to keep the lips kind of simple, a little more nude, but with a pink undertone so that they really complement the eyes. I'm using a lip pencil from Urban Decay, some of my favorite lip pencils, and then a Mariah Carey lipstick from MAC. I went back into the lip pencil to kind of ombre and blend it out, and then I'm using some gloss. I used the lighter gloss from the holiday collection first and realized that I didn't love it, so then I applied the darker, and then I added glitter. Glitter fam, we love glitter. Had to add some glitter to this, and this is the final look. I'm pretty sure you guys, I probably deleted my outro to this video, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. You guys can see pictures on my Instagram, so make sure to go over there and check them out. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the videos part of my 14 days of love or any of my other videos. And of course, check out all the videos on the side. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video, part of my 14 days of love.